Officials say the pandemic is drawing attention to another potential public health crisis. We're talking about heart failure. It's an issue affecting 6 million Americans.
Now, some experts are concerned that people are not managing the problem properly. NewsNation reporter Mark Hiller shows us a possible solution.
6 million Americans live with heart failure, a condition when the heart doesn't pump properly to provide the body the blood and oxygen it needs.
So the shortness of breath, the fatigue, and the exercise intolerance are typically what people feel and what leads them to seek medical care.
But many are not during the pandemic, according to Dr. Philip Adamson. He cites a new nationwide study called Heart Matters. It reveals 3 in 4 cardiologists fear the coronavirus crisis has restricted patients' ability to manage their heart failure, rightfully so, fearing their condition makes them more vulnerable to the impact of COVID-19.
And so they've avoided medical care altogether. And sometimes they need emergent medical care. They need urgent care in the hospital, and they've not sought that care. And so we've seen, unfortunately, an increase in at-home deaths as a result of that avoidance.
The Heart Matters survey also finds more than half of cardiologists are concerned heart failure will develop at an increasing rate among other patient populations, including those with pre-existing conditions. One solution, according to Dr. Adamson, is to develop and even rely on a sensor-based mode of medicine to monitor heart failure patients.
So small sensors that can be implanted in the patient's body permanently that can information over time from the patient's home that would essentially make virtual medicine intelligent, give information that doctors can understand and can act on, and provide that level of medical care that they would provide if they were face-to-face with the patient, and maybe even better.
Last year, heart disease was the leading cause of death among Americans. According to the CDC, more than 655,000 people died from it.